While you are on the exhibition, ask the Brinks. You are on the Brinks area right now, right?
Yes, I will ask them the terms and conditions.
What you have to ask Brinks that does they have branch or office in Sierra Leone, Mali, or Conakry? What are the necessary requirements that Brinks accept precious mineral if the buyer use Brinks? Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will ask what is the terms and conditions for these services.
And also how much they charge for shipping cost and insurance on the total sale value, so that you have an idea.
Okay.
Because every shipping agent, they charge 1%, 1.5% on shipping cost, and then 1.5 on insurance. It depends on the total sale value. So you have to ask that on Brinks so that you can answer any inquiries from your end. When they said, oh, I'm gonna use Brinks to Brinks. Why they gonna use Brinks? Does they have the account on Brinks? Yes, because Brinks would not entertain unless the owner of the gold or unless the owner of the diamond will provide Kimberly certificate. The owner of the gold, they will provide full export documentation. Without that, Brinks would not touch it. So you need to ask it. You need to ask. Okay?
Okay, I will ask them. Yes.
So that you will be advised properly.
Yes. I will update you, okay?
All right, Ramis, thank you for our live conversation while you are on the exhibition in Turkey.
Thank you, and get in touch. Stay.
All right, thank you very much, Ramis. Okay, then, bye.
Thank you. Bye now.
Good evening, everyone. Today is Thursday. The price of gold, it fluctuates. I just finished having a conference live direct from Turkey. Ramis attending the exhibition about gold and rough diamond. They have 600 participants on that exhibition. Now, I just finished having a conference with Ramis. He is my network on he lives in Turkey. A few hours ago, before my live conference with Ramis, there was a buyer that really distressed. Okay, there are 3 buyers was distressed. One, he is in Mali. The other one, he is in Ghana. The other one, he is in Conakry, Guinea. And I just rejected them. Why? Our policy is very clear and simple. We don't entertain buyer already on the ground. I mentioned that on every video. While you are searching information, excuse me, on my YouTube channel, I want you to listen this video from the beginning to the end. Don't rush. Don't be excited. After you listen to this video, then you click below. It says more, subscribe, and click so that you will understand why you need gold, because there is a procedure. I lay out everything so that I would not explain time to time. The video explained thoroughly. Now, why you need to buy gold? Because gold is the world asset. Gold is the world highest demand on earth. You're gonna ask, where is the gold coming from? Africa. 98% gold produced in Africa. 50% diamond produced in different part of Africa. And then you're gonna ask, well, Amina, where are you? I'm based in Australia. I am the extension of the seller. I only entertain buyer when buyer send his credential. your credential will signify who you are. And I would not entertain anybody or any joker broker asking, send me the procedure. The procedure is already in front of you. And when you come for conference on Skype or on WhatsApp or even on Messenger, introduce yourself properly. Do not say hi, because my name is not Hi. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. I am the extension of the seller. You come to Wilhelmina because you saw this video. I have different video. That's why I put the date, because the price of gold, it fluctuates. The price of gold is not fixed. So the price of gold is ups and down. Whatever the world market price, we give the buyer a leeway, which is a discount of 8%, tax included. If you're gonna buy refined, there is no discount. You can buy that in the bank, because refined means gold bullion. You only buy serial number. Now, on Duribar, you are buying physical. You can hold it, you can assay it to find out the carats and the purity. Right? And you pay bank to bank. Before you travel, you need to have a planning. Do not ask Wilhelmina, I'm here in Sierra Leone, I'm here in Ghana, I'm here in Nairobi, I'm here in Mali. I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I don't entertain buyer without invitation. I mentioned that on several videos, but most of you joker broker are not paying attention. You're not. I just finished having a conference with Ramesh. He attended the exhibition in order to introduce Africa, because Ramesh is my network. He works for me. So he is also learning about this industry. So Ramesh learned very fast because of Wilhelmina. So whoever you are, buyer or joker broker, you learn from University of Hard Knocks coming from Wilhelmina. Now I'm gonna give you my background, again and again. I used to be in real estate. I was the one who introduced this, because I was invited in Africa few years back during 2011. Because most of the seller has been ripped off by the foreigner, and also foreigner has been ripped off.
Unknown caller.
Just a moment. Yeah, good evening. This is Wilhelmina.
Good afternoon. I'm calling from Spacewall Capital.
Yeah?
We are Forex Broker House.
So what can I do for you? May I know who your name is?
So I would like to invite you for Forex Expo on 7th and 8th.
No, I cannot. I don't know you. And why you're inviting me? You should introduce yourself properly. You are from Dubai, right?
Yeah, we are from Dubai.
So what are you inviting for? What are you selling
Forex
for?
Expo.
Sorry?
For Forex Expo.
Okay, I'm not on that business. We are selling gold.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your call. Next time you need to read, and before you call, you need to know the background. How did you get Wilhelmina? How did you find my number?
From Savannah Jewelers.
Oh, so you are a jewelry manufacturer, are you?
No. We are Forex Broker House.
Oh, so we are the seller. We sell gold and diamond.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thanks for your call. Good, then bye. Oh, gee. This call from Dubai. But anyway, everybody knows Wilhelmina. Going back to my conversation, because I was being interrupted. This is live. You will only get the real seller, real supply of gold if you, as the buyer, introduce yourself and also your credential. Why? Because you're buying $500,000 here or $1 million. So when you search on YouTube, on Facebook, or on Skype, try to find out whom you're going to talk to. Are you going to talk to Wilhelmina? So therefore, you need to read the procedure, the full corporate offer. It has been laid out thoroughly. All question and answer is already in front of you. Now, going back to the pricing. Okay, just a moment. I'm going to look at the price of gold. Okay? The price of gold today. Today is Thursday. The price of gold today is 2,645.31 per ounce. In dollars terms is 85,025.48 per kilo. 85,025.48 per kilo. Okay? So, we give you less 8% out of 85,025.48. Use your calculator. So I'm not here to teach you. You have to learn if you are a buyer. Because I know you know the price of gold every day. So you use your calculator. Out of 85,000, 0.25.48, less 8%. Our selling price, just a moment. 85,000, 0.25.48, less 8%. Okay, your profit is 6,802 per kilo. Minus 85 again. 0.25.48. Our selling price 78,223 as today, October the 3rd, 2024. You're gonna say, well, Amina, too expensive. Yes, you are buying expensive item. You are not buying peanuts. You are not buying bread here. Even bread, there is a value. You are not buying banana. Even banana, there is a value. There is a value. So gold has a value. So, I don't know if you can afford. So, if you are really serious buyer, read first the full corporate offer. Then you come for conference on Skype or on WhatsApp. Wilhelmina will assist you. Wilhelmina will give you a very good price, provided you meet the criteria. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, your price is too expensive. Well, you are buying expensive item. You walk into the shop, you buy expensive items, you have to pay for it. Gold is not for free. This is the world asset you're buying. Gold has many uses. You can make into earrings. You can make into wedding ring. You can make into bracelet. You can make it into necklace. You can make it into false teeth. You can make it into gold bullion. You can make it into $1, $2. So gold has many uses. Now you are searching because you want to make money. Yes, you can make money if you have this capital. You would not make money unless you have financial capital standby into your bank account. And you think that you can leverage it, especially the buyer from Dubai, you're gonna say, oh, I wanna buy gold, no upfront fee. There is no upfront. You have to pay for it, whether you like it or not. If you cannot afford to pay, don't be involved in this gold business, because gold is cash business. The owner of the gold will not give his gold for free. He is working so hard, mining in his mine, and he want to export it to a real buyer. We give you a good price, but you need to meet the criteria. First of all, when you found this video, read the full corporate offer, click below and subscribe. Time to time, you will be notified. Okay? When you read the full corporate offer, then that is the time you come for conference to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina, is there any possible that we can get the gold a good price? Yes, you can. Now, my position is very important to your business. Out of 8%, the selling price is 78 plus, right? Per kilo. Because you are using Wilhelmina's services, that's $78,000 per kilo. I might consider to give you a lower price. In return, I'm going to accompany you in order to get a good price. But, there is but. I'm going to be with you and I am charging my extra service to assist you to travel to Africa. Okay? Because if you are not well prepared, I'm telling you, you are going to encounter disaster. Why I'm charging you? To assist you in Africa is not cheap. You are buying expensive item. My services has the value. My service is also expensive. So you are buying expensive item. In return, I'm going to give you 14% in return. Okay? Out of 8%. So I'm giving you back the 6% because you are paying my extra service. You're gonna ask me, Wilhelmina, how much the extra service you're going to charge me being a buyer? I do charge $20,000 for my trip, to cover my trip, to stay with you, to assist you on the ground from Australia, because I live in Australia. This is my virtual office. I only travel to Africa to accompany you when you meet the criteria. If you don't meet the criteria, it's useless for you to travel. Well, you've been window shopping. I'm sure you have been offered 45, 38. Good luck. That seller who offer you 45 is going to trap you. He's going to tease you. But when you are on the ground, there are rules and regulations to follow. That is why I'm giving you the rules and regulation already in front of you, called full corporate offer. What necessary you are going to comply, and what necessary the seller will comply when you take the gold out of the country. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I'm not going to pay upfront. There is no upfront. You need to place your order first. How many quantity? We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. We don't. There is a minimum at least 10 or 20 to start with on the first shipment. Then you increase second and third and fourth. The first transaction is very crucial for you and us. You need to develop your business relationship if you want to deal long-term contract. Once you establish the business relationship, it is really running smoothly. So I want you to learn and read first the full corporate offer. Now this video is for everyone. If you meet the criteria, then congratulations. If you don't meet the criteria, tough luck. At least you found this lady. This lady is the one who educates you. I was the one who promote Africa. I was the one. No such joker broker show his face or her face except this lady. Everybody knows Wilhelmina, but they don't meet the criteria. Just now, I just finished having a conference, a buyer from Morocco. He doesn't speak English, and he wanted to go to Sierra Leone, and I discouraged him. Because he might lose money. And he doesn't introduce himself. And he asked me to travel with him. And I told him, I will travel, but you need to send me your credential. And if you've been dealing with the offer in Sierra Leone, cancel your trip, because you are going to encounter disaster. Disaster means you are going to be cheated. And he was being worried, and I told him, cancel the ticket. Go and listen to the video that I give him September 12. I told him, at least you found Wilhelmina. I don't want you to lose your money. That is the reason why I am charging my services, in order to assist the buyer properly. If you are from Dubai, I will take you to Conakry, because Emirates fly 3 times a week. And Sky Cargo shipment can ship your gold direct to Dubai. Now, once you bring the gold to Dubai, or before you bring the gold to Dubai, you need to show us your business registration, importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund bank statement. Aside from that, if you have a licensed company, you need to have a certificate of money laundering. Dubai has changed. Not many years ago, Dubai, you can smuggle gold in Dubai. Today, you cannot. Once the gold is not fully documented, your gold will be seized in the airport in Dubai. Or you are going to be accused as gold launderer or a smuggler. So please, if you watch this video, don't rush. Do the preparation so that you will not lose money. Most of the foreigners, they go to Dubai. They think they can sell gold in Dubai. Yes, Dubai is crying for gold. Where the gold coming from? Africa. Most of the gold, 99% gold in gold stocks, the supply coming from Africa. Why? Because that Doribar can make into different uses. Go to on gold sock. I interviewed the manager. They need more gold because their jewelry shop selling very fast. And we are the supplier. So being a supplier, we need to know who you are. And you need to know who we are. So you will only know who we are when you send your credential for Wilhelmina's validation. Then I can renegotiate the price for you. Instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 14%. So I threw back 6% because of my travel cost. You have to pay for my travel cost if you want a real supplier, so that I could bring you and assist you. If there is an issue, I would be there for you. But if you cannot afford to pay $20,000, 8%, you travel alone. I will arrange your visa. I will arrange your contract of your 10 kilos or 20 kilos. But if there is an issue, do not call Wilhelmina because I'm too far. It's better to spend money to make money rather than to lose money. You are saving money. This guy from Morocco, I discouraged him. Okay? I told him, you don't speak English and then you go to Sierra Leone without any preparation. I rather advise you not to travel, because when you travel to Sierra Leone and you don't know how to speak English, that seller will cheat you, will scam you. So that buyer from Morocco, he was very thankful. So I asked him, why you want to buy gold? He's going to sell it to Dubai. And I told him, do you have a license to sell it to Dubai? He has no license. And I told him, better get out. Before you're going to bring the gold to Dubai, you registered your business in Dubai so that you will not be questioned as a smuggler. So he was very thankful. This buyer, a small buyer from Morocco. So I discouraged him. Somebody might be interested To me, I'm not. I feel sorry for this buyer from Morocco. Yeah? You wanted to make money. I said, yes, you can make money if you are well prepared. So I told him, listen to the video, and then when you're ready, you come back to Wilhelmina. At least I save him. Can you imagine? Where are you going to find a person that they save this guy that doesn't speak English? I told him, you need to speak English, because if you go to Sierra Leone, everybody speak English, and the Sierra Leone seller doesn't speak your language. And what happened? You're going to be stranded in Sierra Leone, and you are going to be scammed. I told him. So he was very thankful. So, Mr. Buyer, if you're really trying to buy this precious metal, do the planning. This video, you will learn out of this explanation. This is my online platform. You buy, you shop on YouTube. Before you shop, before you talk to Wilhelmina Live Conference, you listen to this video from the beginning to the end. Click below, read the full corporate offer. Then that's the time you come for conference. When you come for conference, please do not say hello, brother. Do I look like brother? Do I? Most of this joker broker, they call me hi, they call me brother. I deleted them. I blocked them so that they will not come back to annoy me. Because I am very strict and I'm very tough. If you want a real business, yes, we are here to do real business. But if you are fly-by-night business, guaranteed you will fail. Guaranteed you will lose money. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos here. We don't. This is for export. Alright? Now, Mr. Buyer, I will repeat again. The price of gold is not fixed. You keep on searching on gold thinking you can get cheap price. Gold is not cheap. Go on Kitco or go on the world market. Watch the movement of the price of gold. Then when you are ready, when you have the capital, that is the time you call Wilhelmina. Or if you want to bring gold in Dubai, better register first your business registration. You have to spend $27,000 probably, and you need to have a certificate of money laundering. You cannot just bring the gold to Dubai without proper export documentation coming from us. So you better learn out of this video. If you buy, at least you learn from Wilhelmina. If you don't, again, you learn from Wilhelmina, from the University of Hard Knocks. Now, I will not keep on repeating and repeating. Our selling price, less 8%. Whatever the world market price, less 8%. If I'll come with you, yes, I will give you 14%. So I've given you back the 6%. Why? You paid my extra service of 20,000. In return, you get back the 6%. At the end of the day, you are a winner. Yeah, you owe me a favor instead. Why? Because I am going to renegotiate the price on your behalf. Because I'm going to bring you to the office and I'm going to assist you properly. Yes, that is how it works. So, Mr. Buyer, I think if you are not well planned, guaranteed you are going to fail. Guaranteed 100%. Do not be trapped by offer online cheap price. And if the owner of the gold will offer you cheap price, he is not the owner. He is the joker broker of the owner. The real seller would not sell his gold very cheap. Why? Because there is a tax. There is a value added tax. Now going back to that no payment. When you place your order, you have to inspect before you pay. Based on the contract, we will send you the confirmation of your order, okay, and we will stipulate the price and how many quantity. Is that the first, second, third, and fourth shipment? You need to tell us, and you need to send me a letter of interest to purchase coming from you to identify who you are. That LOI will signify who you are. Now, when you send me your LOI, I need a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, the proof of fund bank statement, and you need to have a certificate of money laundering. Why? Because when you transfer the payment from Dubai to Africa, Africa is a red flag of money laundering and gold laundering. So, both countries has to verify whether your money is clean or not. Because Dubai has been used by a smuggler. I was in Dubai. I was talking to the owner of the jewelry manufacturer. He told me that when you bring gold in Dubai from Africa, you will be asked the certificate of money laundering. Now, the buyer has to produce that certificate that he is not involved on money laundering. So I want to see that, so that we are going to supply you lot of paperwork that the gold as well is free of illegal activities. Okay? So therefore, there is a cost. You're gonna say, well, Amina, do you think I'm gonna make profit? Yes. Guaranteed you are going to make profit. We will discuss this when you come for conference on Skype. I want to see you live video call. If you are from Dubai, download Botim. I want to see you live video call. Because you already meet Wilhelmina here. But when you call me, I need to see you live video call. I want to interview you. I want to know who you are. So my credential is very clear. You see, Wilhelmina, I am the extension of the seller. At the same time, I am your business negotiator. Does that make sense now? Now, Mr. Buyer, I wouldn't stay longer because someone is queuing to chat with me on WhatsApp and Skype. So take time, relax, digest it properly. Then when you are ready, then you come for conference to do the final transaction. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here. The time here in Brisbane is 9:42 in the evening, which is Thursday.